Good evening, Essential. So a quick one. I typed my response to your question. Okay, I think it's a very nice question and an interesting one as such. But I just felt that it's going to be very simple if I just did a quick demo. So let's assume that I'm creating an EC2 instance. Okay, I have I'm just maintaining the default, and then at the advanced details using the user data script. Okay, so let me just go to user data. All right, I will then pass the shutdown argument, and so I just quickly type my shebang line. Okay, slash bin slash bash, and then I type the command. Okay, which is going to shut down my EC2 instances at a specific time I specify. All right, and then since we know that the user data runs using the root privilege, I don't think there is even a need to use sudo to precede my shutdown command. And then hyphen h. The hyphen h is just to halt or shut down the operating system of my server. All right. And then I just indicate the exact time. For demo purposes, let me just use 1 minute and then I proceed from there. So I launch the EC2 instance. So yeah, my EC2 instance is running. So you can see my EC2 instance running the shutdown server, and then you see running. So yeah, let me just time it and then let's see what happens. Okay, per the argument, after a minute, the server is supposed to be shut down. So specifically, depending on your requirement or your use case, maybe if you know that what you are going to do within 2 hours or say a specific time frame you are going to be done, you can indicate it, or you can also more specifically use the AWS instance scheduler. Okay, the instance scheduler is, I think, one of the best options. And then you can also equally do the event bridge option. Okay, where event bridge will trigger a lambda function which has the start and stop logic in its function. All right, and then based on the cron or the time you specified in your cron expression, it is going to do that. Okay, so yeah, I think that's that. So my time says that it's up by now. Let me just quickly check and see if the server is running or not. Yeah, so you can see that the server has been shut down. So let's go to stop instances. Okay, let me and see if I'm going to see stop instances.